Hi, this is Anna with WTI, and I'm here to tell you why the JEETEE pot set has truly been a great addition to my kitchen. The JEETEE pot set, it's 23 pieces. It comes with an 11-inch square frying pan, a 9.5 griddle pan. It comes with a 4.5 quart pot with lid. It has a 1.5, 2.5, and 3 quart pan with lid. And it comes with 3 frying pans in the sizes 8-inch, 9.5-inch, and 11-inch. And all the quart pot lids are interchangeable with the frying pans. It really is a non-stick cookware set. It has a granite coating that truly makes it easy to wash and nothing really sticks on it. It is recommended to hand wash. This cookware is suitable for all stoves, including induction, like mine is, gas, electric, ceramic, and infrared. So if you're like me that needed to get new pots and pans because you got a new stove, this is highly recommended, the JEETEE 23-piece set. And that's my point of view.